Bro. Bro, how are you blocking everything, bro? That's such a... Damn, woman. Show ass down, boy.
Yeah, that freight train that hit you, that was me.
Show is.
Anybody home? Negative.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Great. Looks like my man just took another one of your clubs, Crow.
That's what I want to talk to you.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Fat Joe. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kinda scared. Usually I beat him, you know, and like, but sometimes it's about to be different. But you know what?
You're making a big mistake biting track tonight.
Man, shut up. Shut your ass up, boy. But guess what? We finna go in like a thug. If we finna whoop Fat Joe's ass. If you wondering what that song is in the background, it's Fat Joe's Take a Look at My Life. In the cutscene, and I'm saving. Yes, sir. I'm on your ass. I'm on your... Hold on, bro. Hold on. Hold on. You gotta... Oh, come on, bruh. Come on, man. Come on, bro. You not... Hell... Relax. What? He just sidestepped my grab, dog. I should have taken advantage, bro. I'm hesitating too much. Oh my god. Oh. What? Hold on. Hell no. Yes, sir. Getting your ass whooped. Right now. Getting your ass whooped. Look how quick he recovers. You're not grabbing me, man. Why every time you parry or he parry, you get stunned, bruh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Then he want to do... Relax. He trying... No. Oh my God. Oh. Damn, I should have did a hard grab. Damn. And then you gonna punch me in the nuts? Oh my goodness, that haymaker is so ass. No! No, man! Hell no, I'm gonna hit you with this blazing. You gonna get this work. Like I'm loaded. Look, you gonna get... Oh, damn. Hold on. Relax. 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 You gonna give me some respect, homie. You gonna give me some respect, homie. Yes, sir. That, look at that. Look how much health. He not quicker than me. You're not quicker than me, homie. Yes, sir. No, man. I literally had him right there. By the way, this is first try, dog. This is first try. I'm gonna whoop him in the first try. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Bruh. Bruh, ain't no way. Bruh, nah, bro. Relax. Relax. Watch how he recovers so quick, though. Why did he recover so quick? And then he... No. What I say, Nick? What I say? I said first try, dog. First try. You're not touching me. You gonna get this bird. You gonna get this bird. What are you talking about? I'm like that. You better stop playing with me. Homie? Y'all ain't saw no edits or nothing. I did that first try, dog. I'm like that. Stop playing with me. Homie? Let me calm down. I thought I had it on autosave. You know what? It doesn't even matter, dog. It doesn't even matter. Excuse me. I'm gonna make this video for y'all real quick, then. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What are you talking about? I'm like that. I'm like that. What are you talking about? You're not touching me. Fat Joe, crap, it doesn't matter. I'm folding every single time. The Mag. What are you talking about? Yes, sir. By the way, I wasn't. Yes, sir. Yes, it's time to celebrate. And the time to get shot, because that's what we about to. You know what? It's a good thing she didn't come, because she would have got lit up too. Dr. Umar, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Dr. Umar. I'm sorry. I regret it. I chose the Snow Bunny. He gonna pop up? It looks so fake, dog. Or maybe you just... Why? Damn. Yo, imagine exploring the city. That would have been dope. I ain't gonna lie. To me, this was always stupid. Why are you chasing down?
Say goodbye, bitch. Goodbye, bitch.
Yes, sir. By the way, the voice is corny. By the way, I'm running at him and I'm grabbing him. Oh, damn, he hit me first. Hold on. You saw him glitch? Oh, damn. Hold on. Relax. Yo, he was... Let's... What the hell was that? Oh, I was meant to do a...
That's how it's done.
Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Bro, Danny, relax. Relax. Watch, she gonna do it upper. He gonna do it. Oh, let's go. I wanted to throw him to stop playing. By the way, we just committed. Nah, because they shot at us trying to eliminate us, bro. Nah, you can't let no enemy go like that, bro. To me, the only thing that makes sense is knocking him out. I mean, throwing him to the train. Because it don't make sense you knock him out, but then yet he never appears in the rest of the story. Either Crow killed them off for failing the job, or damn, bro, like, yes. Damn, can I save? What I'm trying to say, bro? Damn. So yeah, as I was saying. Let's go.
Just get out of here. No way. You coming with us.
Leave me.
Forget it. Crow's gonna die for this.
No, remember what I said. That ain't the way. Now get the hell out of here.
Come on, let's go.
What the hell happened to all that in
We're
Vendetta?
gonna hit Crow back tonight.
No way. That's exactly what he expects us to do. He'll be waiting.
What? So we just run away scared?
Do I look scared? No. But I ain't stupid either. We gotta do things the right way. D-Mob's way. We take Crow's turf by beating his fighters.
Yeah, you're crippled and half the crew's jumped town. Man, we gonna need some help.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, this is.
Yeah, I don't want to hear what you got to say, bro. I got to fix this. Alright, y'all. That's going to be the end for today. I know this is a rather, short episode. But don't worry. I got another video coming up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna love it. Peace.